As you can see here, the moisture level is perfect, which means we don't need to water today. We are looking good. Align the scion precisely. We need a perfect cambium match for the hybrid to take.
Secured.
The tape is tight. We just need a drop of juice on the prism here. And look at that, 12 bricks. That's exactly where we want to be for this varietal. Today on the show, we're taking this giant kiwi and seeing if we can roll a perfect game right here on the counter. Welcome back, everyone. Today we have this absolutely stunning giant kiwi sphere. I mean, look at the detail on this thing. That is absolutely delicious. Seriously, pulp, highly recommended.
This is where the magic happens. Let's climb up here and take a peek inside the conditioning tank. Oh man, feel the chill on this one.
It's gotta be near freezing in there, which is exactly what you want for a crisp lager.
And just like that, the vibrant strawberry jam is dispensed perfectly into the jars, ready for capping. The consistency is incredible.
Cheers
To us!
Cheers, guys.
Hey everyone, glad you could join us. We've got a fantastic recipe lined up today using these incredible, locally sourced ingredients. If you're looking for the perfect beer to pair with your barbecue this weekend, look no further. This one right here is absolutely incredible.
This is incredible, Miguel. Your team really outdid themselves this quarter.
We couldn't have done it without the new line. It's been a game changer.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to hit that subscribe button right here, and we'll see you next time.